Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change your slider box color there, that blue arrow right there. I'm going to show you how to change that. This is a Cydia tweak, so you're going to have to go into Cydia and get that tweak. I'll show you what it is. It is called Colored Knob, so you can see it's right there. So you can go into Cydia right now and type that in. So after you download that, you're going to want to enable it, and you can choose random, long slider, and then also your color. So there's a whole bunch of different colors you can get, like lock, where it's lock, what it says it is. Like what I had, the light blue, you can get a pink. You can get gray. And there's just a whole bunch more. There's green, gray, red, blue, yellow, pink, violet, black, light blue, and lock. So I'm just going to go back to the light blue. And you don't have to respring your device, which is really good. And you just have to lock it, choose your color, and lock it. And that's how you change your colored knob.